Richard has been working on this fish for almost about a half an hour.
Good color.
There he is.
Put it to him, Dickie. Put it to him, baby, now.
He's been running up alongside the boat the whole entire time, and then diving under the boat. Look at that.
We're gonna plane his ass right up, baby.
Bobby, lead him.
Oh my God, he's amazing.
Get him. I got him.
To the door.
Other grab. Over the door. Quick. Stay in neutral.
I am in neutral.
Okay.
Get up on the cliff.
Another gap. Another gap.
Okay, can you switch over this way, guys, to the left? We'll open the door. I ain't got a gap that quickly.
Want the big gap in it?
We need another gap in the mouth.
Big gap in the head, Howard. Where's that little gap?
Yeah.
Gap.
Ready?
Let's run it.
Here we go. I got the rope.
Okay, good. Got the rope?
There we go.
The flying gap rope.
I got it.
Oh! This fucker, it's bigger than the other one.
Told you.
Oh my God.
Don't get away from his tail.
It's a bad place to go. That fish. Alright.
Richard, way to go. That was awesome.
Close the fucking door. Bad motherfucker, Dick Pond. Close the door.
Close the door.
I'm going up to the door.
It's huge. This is absolutely huge.
I'll hit you right in the fucking ass, Junior.
Those are other fish.
Skinny Irish ass.
Watch it, Bobby. We got a ratchet thing, a bar, a breaker bar, something.
This is how it's been since
Hammer.
6:30,
Hammer.
7 o'clock in the morning.
You want to move that cooler? Move that cooler, you guys. And I'll bring it.
Fucking shit.
Watch out, Bob. Get away from him.
How come this motherfucker still be going?
Make sure you get Bam Bam practice. Bam, bam, bam.
Ain't got a really effect. Get out. Get out. Get out, buddy.
Oh, he's pissing. He's pissing his pants. Pissing
Oh.
That's it. He's done.
The bad lady song.
Good job, Good job, Shred.
I got everything. I got your shoes. I got your hair. I got you. How you doing?
Lightning strikes!
I got the weighing station. I got this. I got that. I got you.
How we look?
I got